Hey guys, we're on board Surfwatch right now with some intern specialists from Orange Coast Districts. We're on our 33-foot crystalline rescue boat looking for orca whales. There's a lot of orcas that have been hanging out off for the past couple days, and we have some experts out here to tell us about them. And we're coming up on a little pond right now.
Beautiful. It's Catalina Island in the distance.
Hey Skip, we're about 12 miles off of Newport Coast. You see Catalina there in the background. We're about 12 miles off of Newport Harbor.
These orcas have been seen in the area for the past few days, so we jumped on the opportunity get to see them out here, and we're excited to bring it to you all live.
Having a whale of a time.
It's a very fluke experience. Wow. And these are the offshore orcas, and they spend most of their time pretty far away from our coastline. Wow.
Hey Francesca, is it rare to see orcas?
It is rare. This is a real treat. They usually are really hard to see from the shoreline. As you can see, we're many miles off the coast. And it is rare, even for whale watching boats, to see them. So especially this type of orca. There are 3 different types of orcas. These are the offshore ones, like seals and sea lions, off the coast, pretty deep in the waters. There's also transient orcas, which make their way up and down the coastline of California, Washington, Oregon. They usually are by themselves. So when we see these large pods, we know that usually are offshore orcas. The dorsal fin on these have to be 3 or 4 feet. These are big whales we're looking at. Like a baby in the middle, judging based on the length of their dorsal fins. Usually they'll put the babies more in the middle of their pack to protect them. Might be a mom and a baby in the middle there. We had a few stragglers earlier. Might have been the males kind of bringing up the rear. Baby right in the middle. See its short little dorsal fin. Coming up to breathe right when the mom does. Wow. There's the baby. It's like, oh.
Hey Jennifer, we think it's cool too.
Thanks for signing in and joining us. Joining California State Parks, our lifeguards are teaming up with our interpretation department to bring this to you live. You can also find us on Twitter at California State Parks. we're doing other live broadcasts from Twitter and Periscope from all of our parks. This is a real treat. Once in a lifetime opportunity, I would say. We spend a lot of time out on the water. And have you guys ever seen orcas before?
Never seen orcas. Ryan, how long have you been a lifeguard?
20 years.
You ever seen orcas?
Never.
First time?
Today.
Amazing.
Wow.
Hey Cole, there was probably about 10 or 15 in this little group that we just saw.
You're a lucky dog to be a lifeguard or an interpreter at the California State Parks system.
And it looks like our little group of whales here may have just
On the coop.
said goodbye to us.
Pretty magical. Nice and flat and glassy out here too.
Gorgeous day.
Okay, we'll be back either on Facebook Live or on Twitter at CA State Parks with more whale coverage if we can find them. Thanks for tuning in.